Thursday, August 29th, 2024. Passion of Saint John the Baptist. Focus. Herod feared John, knowing that he was a righteous and holy man. The way of the prophet. I am in awe of men like Jeremiah and John the Baptist. Both were very young when they were called to be prophets. People who had to convey stern messages from God and expose injustice and wrongdoing. It was a risky calling, which usually ended in a violent death. Herod feared John because John was good. Herod's wife, Herodias, never forgave John for calling her out for adultery. The way John the Baptist is presented, a voice in the wilderness, with his bizarre diet and choice of clothing, one may think he was totally fearless and superhuman. But even he had doubts. He asked, "Are you the one who is to come? Or shall we look for another?" John paid for his bluntness with his head, quite literally. What must he have felt when they came for him? The Lord God is exacting, and Jeremiah had little choice but to obey. Lest I dismay you before them. Jeremiah went to prison for following the Lord's instructions. Now comes the really scary part. We too are called to be witnesses and endure suffering. But the Lord assures us, "I am with you to deliver you." This gives us courage and confidence. Root. I will set a personal example of righteousness by standing for truth and justice.